How do we draw believable anime noses, you ask? Well, in order to answer that question, we need to discuss briefly the components to draw a realistic nose. Why again? Because being familiar with these shapes will empower you to draw noses from any angle. You will also have a better understanding of what lines to show and what lines to leave out in your anime girl drawings. Alright, so let's do this. So 3D shapes. The main shapes that make up a nose are a cylinder, a ball, 2 tapered boxes or wedges, a trapezoid for the keystone. Now, we'll talk about the keystone later when we're talking about attaching the nose to the head. Let's focus on the others for now. First, you take a cylinder and you attach a ball on the end and the top part. Then, the wedge boxes on the sides for the wings. That's the basic shape. You draw these nostril holes on the bottom, forming a V shape. I challenge you to practice drawing this nose shape from all kinds of different angles. Once you have this shape memorized, you can easily use it to simplify anime female noses. Here's an example of me doing the challenge. Alright, so attaching the nose to the head. So, how do you attach the nose to the head? Well, that's where the keystone comes into play. The keystone is the top part of the nose that connects to the eyebrows. It's called the keystone because it's the key to keeping your nose from falling off your head. Now, I said it's a trapezoid, and for the most part it is, but for girls you're going to want to have a more curved outline on it. The nose attaches at the middle point of the eye height on a realistic face. The bottom of the nose attaches to our marker on the head. If you don't know the proportions of a cute anime girl face, watch this video where I explain how to measure it all out on how to draw anime girl heads. So finally, we can get to the good part. After we used all this knowledge, we can make cute girl noses. Alright. You probably have noticed that most of the time in anime and manga, the nose isn't very present at all, and sometimes feels like just an afterthought. The reason for this is, this typical style of drawing is you want all your attention to be on the eyes, and most especially for girls. So the more details you add to the nose or even the mouth will take away from the eyes. Watch my time-lapse shorts of my art process and you can see that I'm spending most of my time on the eyes when it comes to the face. So what does all this mean? It means you want to imply the nose more than actually draw out the shapes that we discussed earlier. The easiest way to do this is to only show the bottom portion of the nose, such as the nostrils or just the nose holes. When the head turns at an angle, you only draw the bridge of the nose that is turning away from the viewer. Done properly, people's eyes will fill in the rest of the nose for you. There are several different ways to simplify an anime nose, and I encourage you to experiment. So in order to make the nose feel cute and a girl you want to have more like arcing, sweeping motions in your lines, you also want to employ the less is more theory, which is basically the less of the nose you draw, the more cute it will feel. Using smooth circular lines also helps here because it feels more feminine and cute. So just keep your noses simple and smooth looking. That will help you out a lot. If this video helped you, I'd appreciate it if you could give me a like on the video, subscribe for free, and hit that notification channel so you can get more videos like this.